Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 6 Subject Science. In that, chapter number 9, the living organisms, characteristic and habitats. In the first three video, we have seen up to main 11. Today we'll see from main 12. Answer the following questions in details. 4 marks each. List question number 1. List the adaptations of a camel as a desert animal. See, first of all, we will see the figure here. Camel. This part is the hump, and this one below the leg. Soft hooves is there, and soft hooves, because of these soft hooves, they can walk on the sand. Answer is adaptations are as follows. Camels have long legs and broad sole which survive their bodies from the heat of the sand. Their hooves are soft so they can walk easily on sand, and we know that the sands are hot in the summer days, in the sunny days. They do not sweat. They excrete small amount of urine. Their dung is dry. Camel lose very little water from their bodies. Excess fat in their body is stored in the hump on their back. See here, hump. When required, they can use this stored fat and get energy. They can live for many days without water and food. See question number 2. State the adaptations of a fish as an aquatic animal. First of all, we will see the figures of fish. See, these are the scales, eyes. This one is the gills. Okay, gills. Here, fins is there. Here is the front fins, lateral fins, and it's a tail. Now see, the adaptations of a fish as an aquatic animal are as follows. The head and tail of the fish are smaller than the middle portion of the body. This body shape is called streamlined so that water can flow around it easily and allow the fish to move in the water. Now see the next page. Fish have slippery scales on their bodies that protect the fish. Gills present in the fish help to use oxygen dissolved in water. Fish have flat fins and tails that help them to change direction and keep their body balanced in the water. See the question number 3. State the adaptations of plants that grow in a desert. Answer is the adaptation of plants that grow in the deserts are as follows. Desert plants have well developed roots that go very deep into the soil for absorbing water. The leaves are very small, less in number, or they are transformed into spines. This helps in reducing loss of water. The spines protect them from animals. Photosynthesis is usually carried out by the stems. The stem is also covered with a thick waxy layer which helps to retain water. See the question number 4. State the adaptations of aquatic animals. The adaptations of aquatic animals are as follows. See, this one is the hydrilla, then chain sword, lotus, and water chestnut. In aquatic plants, roots are much reduced in size and their main function is to hold the plant in a place. The stems are long, hollow and light. They grow up to the surface of water. The leaves and flowers of this plant floats on the surface of the water. Some aquatic plants are totally submerged in water. Means totally they are in the water, under the water. All parts of such plants grow underwater. Some plants have narrow and thin ribbon-like leaves. This can bend in the flowing water. Now we will see the next page. See the activities. Number 1. Table, animals, plants and other objects found in different surroundings. See, in the forest. In the forest we found out deer, tiger, flame of the forest and dry leaves and ant. On mountains, we find snow leopard, yak, deodar tree, rock, and oak tree. In the desert, we find out camel, snake, kangaroo, rat, cactus, and sand. And in the sea, we find out fish, octopus, whales, sponges, and conch. Any other near your home. It's a rabbit, grass, monkey, squirrel, and water. These are we can find near our home. To show that the plants that grow in the desert lose less water through transpiration. Apparatus and materials. The apparatus and materials are potted cactus, potted green plant, two transparent polythene bags, and thread. Here the figure. In that figure, the pot with a cactus is A. Here the polythene bag is tied, and in that polythene bag less water droplets are there. And B, pot with a green plant. Green plant, here also the polythene bags are tied, and in this one more water droplets are there, and in here in cactus less water droplets is there. Figure to understand transpiration in different plants. Procedure. Take a potted cactus and a leafy plant. Tie transparent polythene bags to the branch having the leaf of both the plants. Leave both the plants in the sun. Observe the inner surface of both the bags after a few hours. Observation is the polythene tied on the cactus has less water droplets as compared to the other plants on its inner surface. Conclusion is plants through that grow in desert lose less water through transpiration. See the next page. To prove that plants respond to stimuli, here apparatus and materials are potted upright plant. See the potted plant is near the window is there where from where the sunlight easily comes here. Procedure. Choose a window in your home through which sunlight enters from for some time only during the day. Place the potted plant in the room but a little away from the window. Continue watering the plant for a few days. Observe that the plant grows upright like plants out in the open or it bends. Note the direction in which it bends. Observation is the plant bends towards the window in the direction of the sunlight. The plant bends towards the window where the sunlight comes. Now the conclusion is plants respond to the stimuli. Number 4. To grow a plant from cutting plant. Here apparatus and materials is that cutting of henna means mehndi plant and water. Procedure. Take a cutting from henna plant, plant it in the soil, water it regularly and observe it after a few days. See the cutting plant like this and it's a cutting and plant after few days the leaves grow from that cutting plant. Growing plant from cutting plant. Observation is the plant starts growing from the cutting after some days and conclusion is a plant can be grown from a cutting. Now we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.